Right, okay, so the first thing to be said is that there has probably never been a better time to apply to medical school. If I put that slide up 2 years ago, it said 35. If I put that slide up 20 years ago, it would have said something like 22 medical schools. So you can see there are many more medical schools, and that's really important. So you've got lots more choice. I think what we feel really importantly is that you must, if you're thinking of applying to medical school, visit the medical school before you put them on the form. Because if you get there and you think, I hate this place, then that is a waste of space, isn't it? That applies to anything you apply for. Please do not. I did. I mean, I didn't apply to medical school, by the way, not at the start, I went to it later. But when I applied for my first degree and got a place at one university, I turned up, and I hate to say it was the university you went to, but I turned up and thought, I don't want to be here. That was on an open day, and I thought, you know, it wouldn't be the right place. So, do visit. Right, what to call from where? Very important. And we're not telling you what to think about it. So do you want to be in a city or not? You might not. You might want to be on campus. And I'm going to be absolutely honest with you. Manchester is not really a campus university. We are not really a campus university. Liverpool is not really a campus university, but there are campus universities such as Keele, and you know, some people feel more comfortable on a campus environment. Nottingham is another example. So think about that. Now, having said that, a little plug, obviously, there are some students who are now going to be based entirely in Bangor if they come to us for the first year, so there will be the option for a smaller size. Think of the size of your university. You know, we are a reasonably large one. Manchester is a mega, and there are some very small ones. So do you want to be near Wales, or do you want to be as far away as possible?